Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to learn about factorization of a quadratic trinomial. Okay, let's start the topic, and this is very easy topic and I am sure you will understand this. See, quadratic trinomial. These are the two different things. First, what is the meaning of quadratic polynomial? Quadratic means a polynomial whose highest power of the variable is 2, or you can say whose degree is 2. And what is the meaning of trinomial? Means a polynomial having 3 terms is called a trinomial. Okay, so if we write this polynomial in descending order of the power, then what you can write? You can write ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is a quadratic trinomial, or simply you can say quadratic polynomial, where a is called the leading coefficient. What we say? A is called the leading coefficient because it is the coefficient of the highest power of the variable, and c is called the constant term because it is not with x. Okay, so try to remember these words because these words we are going to use in the questions also. Now we will try to factorize it, but by taking some conditions. So what is the first condition I am going to take here? First condition will be in ax square plus bx plus c, which is the general trinomial, quadratic trinomial, and I am going to take here a is equal to 1. Okay, means it will look like this: x square plus bx plus c. Now see, my dear students, one thing you will understand here, that whenever you are going to factorize quadratic trinomial, you will remember that this polynomial should be written in descending power of x. Means first term should be power of x as 2, second term should be power of x as 1, and third term should be the constant term, means power of x should be 0. Okay, and then in my another videos I will discuss about x square is negative, then what you will do, or if other coefficients, then what you will do. But in this video I am focusing only on a is equal to 1, that is when coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, but I will tell you the general method also so that you can understand it. Now you see, what is the method? I will tell you the method as well as the question together. Okay, see, question I am taking, like question can be x square plus 17x plus 42. Okay, these questions I am taking from the Ministry of Education book, UAE. Okay, now see here, coefficient of x square is 1, so forget about this. In general, what we do, we multiply a and c, that is the leading coefficient and the constant term, we multiply them. So here we have leading coefficient 1 and constant term is 42. So 1 multiply 42 is what? This is the procedure I am writing here. Okay, this is the method. 42. 1 multiply 42 is 42. Now whatever factors are possible for 42, pair of factors, you will write them. Okay, like this is for the starting purpose. Okay, otherwise when you are good enough in calculation, then you can do it very quickly. But since this is the first question I am taking of this type, so I am focusing each and everything. So write all the possible pair of factors, like one factor can be 1 and 42 because 1 multiply 42 will be 42. Another pair can be 2 multiply 21. Another pair can be 3 multiply 14. Do we have another pair? Yes, we can have 6 multiply 7 also. Okay, can we have another pair? I don't think so. If you have, please write in the comment. Okay, now you see, after writing all these factors, what you will do, you will see whether this constant term is positive or negative. So what you see here, this constant term 42 is positive. Yes, it is written here plus, so this is positive. So what we will do here, we will choose that pair of factor from these pairs. We will choose only that pair in which addition of the numbers is the middle term. Okay, and this method is also called splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term, because here we are going to split the middle term. So this method is also called splitting the middle term. Okay, so again, What we have done so far? First of all, leading coefficient is 1, constant term is 42. So multiply them, you will get 42. Now write all possible pair of factors for 42, that is 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14, and 6 and 7. Now what you will do after this? After this you will see what is the sign of 42, means 42, that constant term is positive or negative. So here you can see it is positive. So what you will do here? You will choose that pair in which addition of the number is equal to the middle term, that is 17. So no doubt here we will choose 3 and 14, because if you will choose 6 and 7, so their addition will be only 13. Okay. If you choose 2 and 21, then their addition will be 23. If you choose 1 and 42, then their addition will be 43. So our problem will not be solved. So we will choose what? 3 and 14. So what will be the next step here? See, this is the fair part. Okay, this is not the rough work. This will be in the proper method. So x square plus 17. What we have taken for 17? 3 and 14. So it will be 3 plus 14, x as it is, plus 42. Now apply the distributive property for x. I am sure you remember this. If you forgot, then please see that video. X square plus 3x plus 14x plus 42. Okay. Now you see first two terms. Can we have something common in first two terms? Yes, we can take x common. Common means divide by x. So x square divided by x, you will get x, plus 3x divided by x, you will get plus 3. Now this term is positive, this is also positive. So from positive and positive we are going to take positive and 14 common, because 42 can be divided by 14. So it will be x plus 42 divided by 14 is 3. Now x plus 3 here, x plus 3 here also. So what you can see here, x plus 3 can be taken common, and then in bracket you will get x plus 14, and this will be the answer. Okay, this method will remain same for all the questions. Okay, now let's consider few more questions. This time I'll reshuffle the order of the terms. For example, question can be minus 24 minus 5x plus x square. Okay, now what I told you, if you want to factorize the quadratic trinomial, then what you will do? First it should be power 2, means polynomial should be written in descending order of the powers. So it will be x square is positive, minus 5x, and then minus 24. Okay. Now you see here leading coefficient is 1, because coefficient of x square is 1. So question will be easy for us. Now the last term is 24. So 1 multiply 24 is equal to 24. Now write all possible pair of factors for 24. One can be 1 multiply 24. Another can be 2 multiply 12. Another can be 3 multiplied by 8. Another can be 4 multiplied by 6. I don't think that any other pair is left. Okay. So what we are going to see now, after writing all these pair of factors, see that constant term is negative. So we will choose that pair in which subtraction of the numbers is equal to the middle number. And what is the middle number here? 5. So if we choose first pair, this one, so 24 minus 1, will it be 5? No. 12 minus 2, will it be 5? No. 8 minus 3, will it be 5? Yes. So we will choose this pair. Okay. So this is x square minus, in place of 5 what you will write? 8 minus 3 times x minus 24. Now apply distributive property. So this is, now my dear students, here outside we have negative students, so please take care of this thing. Okay. So this is minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. This is equal to, now from first two terms you can take x common. So it will be x minus 8 plus 3 common. It will be x minus 24 divided by 3 will be 8. So it will be x minus 8 can be taken common from the whole polynomial, and another bracket will be x plus 3. Okay, this will be the answer. Now, do we have any question in your book for negative term of x square? I don't think so. That in this exercise, I don't think that there is any term having x square negative. Okay, I'll take one example where coefficient of x square is not 1. Okay, for example, suppose we want to factorize 2x square minus 6x minus 80. Okay, now what you will do here, what I told you, this time leading coefficient is not 1 and here it is 80. So just multiply this. 2 multiply 80 is equal to what? It is equal to 160. Now multiply this. So what you will do here? All pair of factors. So first pair will be 1 and 160. Second pair will be 2 and 80. Third pair will be, with 3 it is not possible, I guess. 4 and 40 will be the third pair. Then 5 and what? 5 and 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 32 will be the another pair, and then 8 and 20 will be another pair. Do we have any other pair left? Okay. Why I am writing all these pair? Because see, this is subtraction and middle term is 6. So after subtracting, you should have 6 in the middle term. So 160 minus 1, it is not 6. 80 minus 2, not 6. 40 minus 4, not 6. So 32 minus 5, 20 minus 8. It means we need to find more terms. So here you see 10 multiplied by 16. So this will solve our purpose. Yes. So it will be 2x square. Hope you understand this method, my dear students. Again, I am telling you, this method is for the beginning, for the starting. But if you are very good in the calculation, you will see the question and quickly you can find the pair, that this pair will solve the purpose. Okay. So minus, in place of 6, I am going to choose this pair, 16 minus 10 times x minus 80. So it will be 2x square minus 16x minus times minus, it will become plus 10x minus 80. It will be, see, 2 is the common number from first two, from these two, and x also common. So it will be x minus 8 plus 10 common, it will be x minus 8. So here it comes x minus 8 taken common from whole, and this is 2x plus 10. Okay, and here you can see 2 can be taken common further. So just as a simplified form, I am taking 2 outside. So it will be x minus 8 times x plus 5. This will be the answer. Okay, I think this was the question related with the volume. Okay, so for the volume of a rectangular box, there should be 3 sides. So this is one side, this is another side, this is third side. Okay, like this you can do the questions. Hope you understand this method of factorizing the quadratic trinomial. If you have any problem or any step is not clear to you, you can write in the comment and I will try to make another examples for you. But believe me, this is very easy. Please practice few questions from your book. Okay, like if you right now, if you don't have your book with you, so what I can do here, I can write some questions for you so that you can practice it now. Okay, d square plus 5d minus 13. This can be the one question. Another question can be n square plus 7n plus 12. Another question, c square plus c plus 21. Okay, you can practice these questions, and if you have any problem, then you can write in the comment and I will try to explain with more examples. Okay, hope you understood this video and understood this concept. If you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel also if you have not done. Thank you.